What is going on, YouTube, and welcome to the Rimrite Wheel Repair and Powder Coating channel. We are going to put this channel together basically to show newbies and others how to powder coat, what you need and what it takes to do it. The main point of this channel is quick tips, quick videos. We aren't going to go over 5 minutes. I don't like sitting at my computer watching videos forever. I want to get out and do it and go, go, go. So that's kind of how we're going to run it. We're going to tie in our blog, which will have more detail. They're going to be quick tips too, but it's going to have more detail than the videos. We're going to start basic, just showing you, cheap entry-level equipment that will get you started, get you powder coating right away, and maybe even make a little side money. If you got any questions or anything, type them out below. We'll try and answer as many as we can. And I hope you subscribe so that you stay up to date with all of our tips and everything. And just enjoy the channel. It's going to be quick. It's going to be fun. I'm not editing anything. I'm literally just going to throw these things up as we record them. This isn't supposed to be a big high dollar deal. We're just going to do some quick videos and have some fun. Thanks.